It is not very often that you're going to come across a property 30 acres with a main home, a guest home, and fully off-grid capable with the level of attention to detail that is just surpassing everything else like it. This is a tour you are not going to want to miss. Now, my newest listing takes us to the town of Red Rock. We are 21 minutes from Bastrop, 21 minutes from Lockhart. If you drew a line straight between them, we're very close. And we're only 35 minutes from the airport, from the Tesla Gigafactory, and of course the gateway into Austin, making this a super unique location because you get that quiet lifestyle while still being fairly close to everything that you're going to need. Now, like I mentioned, this property is on 30 ag-exempt acres with a tax rate of only 1.5%, making it unparalleled. And when I show you inside, you're gonna see that details like the solar array just behind me are what make this property truly exceptional. This home, although it is configured right now to feed power back onto the grid, with DC inverters and battery systems that we do have, could go fully off-grid. You'll note a fully insulated and air-conditioned well house as well, with a full RO system as well as a demineralization. This is the best water that you can possibly drink, and of course you own it. But let's get on because there's so much to show you. Now, as a general layout for the property, as I start to show you around, when you pull up, first you're gonna come past fully irrigated garden, and that's going to bring you up to the homes on the property. Now, you do have a 1456 square foot main home. You've got a 576 square foot guest home, as well as 2 different RV posts ready to power your RVs, as well as a fully insulated and air-conditioned shed ready to store all of your things and keep them as nice as possible. But before I show you inside the main house, let's go take a look at the guest house. Now, this may actually be the coolest part of the property. This is the 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, fully equipped guest house, and it is impeccably well put together, just like the main house that I'm going to show you in a moment. First and foremost, you'll notice all of the cabinets, just quality. You've got soft close hinges everywhere, all the woodwork details, like the full casing of all of the windows. Obviously, this space is conditioned, has a full kitchen, full living room, and the bedrooms, which again, little detail, you've got some loft storage space to maximize that square footage for you living here. Now, this bedroom is awesome. Not only does it have so much privacy naturally from the windows, but it's as well finished as the rest of the home, with really cool woodwork details in the ceiling, as well as a full bathroom here. Large stand-in shower, custom tile details, really unique vanity and light fixtures, everything you would want for a home like this. Now, coming inside to the main house, this is 1,456 square feet, 3-bed, 2-bath, and the attention to detail is insane. First, these high vaulted ceilings, letting in so much natural light, making this space feel so large. And details that you'll notice as you go throughout the home, like full spray foam insulation, walls, ceiling, and underneath, as well as quartz countertops, a 6-burner chef's stove, and then little things like USB outlets throughout the home, soft close drawers and hinges on all of the cabinets. Everything here fit and finished exactly how you'd want it to be. And then just off of the kitchen, you've got 2 guest bedrooms with a full bath. Again, everything appointed really well in this 2022 build home. Now, coming into the primary bedroom, of course, you're gonna notice the same level of detail has been done in here. Note the woodwork, the baseboards, all the framing around the windows, the vaulted ceilings in here. You've got a fully built out primary closet, as well as this stunning custom tiled primary bathroom. Now, to wrap up the main house, you do have a laundry room and pantry fully built out with cabinets, everything you'd want, welcoming you onto this back deck. Of course, one of the best parts about having a 30-acre ranch like this one is the privacy, and this is the perfect place to enjoy those sunset evenings, kick back in your total privacy, and enjoy everything that Texas has to offer. Now, as an added bonus to this property, where I'm standing right now is the probably dream build site of the whole property. for the plans that will convey with the sale of this property for a 4,500 square foot barn dough. Now, reach out for details. I can send you all the specs for that, but plans will convey with the sale. We can introduce you to the builder that would be available to build this property. All of that said and done, ready to make this your view from your dream home. Now, if you're as excited about this property as I am and you want to take a tour, reach out to me directly, Mason Bleasdell. I'm the listing agent. I would love to take you around and show you all of the details about this beautiful home. Thanks for joining on this tour. I will see you all next time.